दुबई में एक शानदार आईईडी फैशन फेस्टा शो का इनेकाद किया गया। आईईडी के फाउंडर और ओनर अनुल मंदिरा ने यहां 32 मॉडल्स और 4 जजेस पर मुश्तमिल शो को ऑर्गेनाइज किया, जिसमें ऑडियंस की एक बड़ी तादाद ने शिरकत की। इस मौके पर अनुल मंदिरा और टीम ने न्यूज टाइम से खुसूसी बातचीत भी की।
Fashion Fiesta, the most talked show of the town, and presented by Indian expats in Dubai and a pretty lady, Miss Anul. Hi Anul, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
So looking so nice today, and I must congratulate for a great success.
Thank you very much.
So how are you feeling? I can see the goosebumps here.
I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling content. I am glad the show went well, so yeah.
Such a short time and such a huge success. So how do you feel?
So it's been 17 months and we have reached almost 40,000 people. So like I said earlier, I'm happy, I'm content. And thank you to everyone who has provided so much of love and support to Indian expats in Dubai.
And what are your future plans, Anul? I mean, I can see like you're so contented with your events. So I'm just waiting for your next event.
So ID is also about advertising and marketing to support businesses. So that is our parallel thing and we keep on doing that. However, when it's one community brought under common umbrella, then event management becomes an implicit part of it. So we had ID Mela last time, if you remember, and now this one ID Fashion Fiesta. There's a lot of things coming up like ID Carnival, like a big Teej festival, Karwa Chauth, Diwali. There's so much in the pipeline. Christmas. So we're just going to go big bang.
I'm sure you will work as always.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Anul, for coming on the show. And I must say, I'm just waiting for your next events. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thanks a lot.
And here we have the winner, Miss Vani. Hi, Vani. How are you?
Hi, I'm very well, thank you.
Looking very pretty today.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations from Manisha and the team of News Time SGTV.
Thank you, thank you.
So can you tell me about your journey? When did you decide that you are going to participate?
When did I decide? One night before I was just going off to sleep, I was scrolling my Facebook and I had joined this group, Indian Expats in Dubai, and then I saw a flyer of one of the models and I just asked my husband that, do you think I should? Let me try. Then he said okay, and the same minute I sent a message to Anul, and I think that was the time I decided that I have to do this.
And here you are today. So after this, what is your plan now? You are the known face of the industry.
Yes, it feels good. So after this, obviously, like as you just said, that I'm going to go to Mrs. UAE International, which is even a bigger platform. And I'm nervous, but I'm excited as well. I'm looking forward to big opportunities going forward.
All the very, very best for the
Thank you so much.
And all the best for your life as well.
Thank you, thank you.
And here we have Geetika, who is a team leader here. Hi Geetika, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am very good, and congratulations once again for the great success of this show.
Thank you so much. It's our pleasure, and we are very happy to announce this. Like it has went very successfully. Thank you so much.
So whatever I heard, that it was the lady behind the scene is Geetika. So can you just explain?
Okay, I had this passion of fashion show like since my college days. We were models as well, so we have done a lot of fashion shows. So when we had this group growing so nicely, we wanted always to do it, but due to COVID times, it was like okay, we will do it. But then Anul decided one day, let's do it, and that's how after 5 weeks of all this preparation, all the hard work, it is all out here.
And it's a different concept also, like exhibition plus fashion show.
Yes.
So I mean, whose idea it was?
It was me and Anul together because we wanted the exhibitors like who want to display their dresses can have the chance to sell as well. And I'm sure they might be happy today because they have got good success of the show and very good encouragement to go ahead for more such shows.
So I'm sure very soon she will be rocking actually the way she is now. So what's your future plan now?
Definitely coming up with next event very soon, and then again ID Fashion Fiesta will be soon for sure.
All the very best for all your shows.
Thank you so much.
And here we have Sakshi, who is a team member and the team leader of Indian Expats in Dubai. Hi Sakshi, how are you?
Hello, hi. I'm good, thank you so much. How are you?
Looking very pretty today. I'm very fine, thank you.
Thank you. You too look good.
So congratulations for the great success. I can see the way they participants are there and exhibitors are there. So once again, very much, I'm so happy to see you like this.
Thank you so
Blooming
much.
day by day, I must say.
Yeah, thank you so much. Even for us in an Expats in Dubai, this was very successful event, and we are so glad that everyone is liking it, and we are growing.
How was this journey basically?
Journey was very good. It was very short duration when we decided to come up with this fashion show, but it went fantastic, and we are very happy with all the contestants, with all the groomers, with all the audience we had. Lovely, lovely experience.
So what is next? We are going to see you as in
Next, we will definitely will be having some grand event like this, but we cannot disclose it right now. So very soon you'll get to know about
top
it.
secret it is.
Yeah.
So all the very best for all your events, and I hope you will achieve more and more success. All the very best.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you.